Hey guys, I want to show you how we took FTP, which is Follow the Puck, stands for Follow the Puck. They're a hockey site, just a website. They had no product, no service, no coaching, out of South Dakota. And they came to me and they said, hey, we want to build a digital product, a low ticket offer, and then build into a bigger, higher coaching program. But let's start with a low ticket offer. We like the way you're doing stuff. They hired me to step on to help them. And in literally just 1 month, just under a month, we got their first sale from no product whatsoever. So I want to show you that real quick and how we do that and how I do that with my system. So what we did is they used SamCart, which I love SamCart, right? SamCart is so awesome. We create a one-page sales funnel. Here's what we created for them. You can see it right here. It looks really well, really beautiful. I built this for them, built this out for them under my program. It's a real simple page as far as not long, but you also have a real simple price. This is what we call a low ticket offer to get people through the door. The problem with most things out there that you might be building, right, is you create a bunch of friction points. What I love about SamCart here, there's no friction points. It's right to the cell. Here we are, right? So if we sent this right here, this link right here to our Facebook page, right, and we shared it, and someone was like, oh, that looks cool, they click on it, they show up right here, they have to buy. There's a problem with that, but that's also beautiful too. The problem is if they're cold audience, they don't know you too well, your copy here has to be very good, and more than likely they're just not going to buy because it's their first time. They got to know, like, and trust you. It takes about 7 interactions with you to buy, right? Here's the thing though. There's some ways around that. I'm going to talk about that right now and what we did with this FTP to get sales within just 1 month of releasing this product. The other beautiful thing about SamCart, though, is it creates no friction points. When you create webinar funnels and all these book funnel and all these other funnels, you create friction points, which takes a person that's a cold audience and they get, then they bow out, right? The beautiful thing about SamCart is there's no friction points. It's right to the cell, but you got to do these couple things that I'm going to talk about here to really make this work. I've coined a couple things that make SamCart work really quickly, right? One's called a one-sentence power offer. It's by Joel Arway. I got to give credit where credit's due, but I've coined my own system with it. The other thing is the power content, which is created by Laura Porte, which is she's freaking awesome. So is Joel Orway. And I put my own twist, what I call my Scooby-Doo method to that power content, right? And then there's the Facebook ads method. A lot of people jump right into a Facebook ad when they build this. That's not the way to do this, right? It's actually to work backwards. Get the sale first through a one-sentence power offer, power content, and then build the Facebook ad around that. You can kind of build the power content too in the same time as building the ad. And that'll make sense in a second. I'm going to keep rolling here and show you what we did. So we took this right here. We built this page out. Once we had this page built out, we went into their socials, right? And we created a one-sentence power offer. And a one-sentence power offer looks just like this. I have scripts for this and everything, right? I should have had this up. I didn't have it up. But I'll get it up really quickly. Here it is. Okay, so here's the one-sentence power offer. Your ideal audience should be able to say yes to this one-sentence promise, must incorporate an element at a time. And here it is. Who's this for? The clear one-sentence promise. I'll help you achieve what in the next blank days? Benefit 1, benefit 2, without doing something they hate. So here's an example. New coaches who want to increase their call volume by 40-50% but don't have a large budget. If I offer to help you build a discovery call ad strategy over the next 7 days that books an extra 10 to 15 calls a month on autopilot, costs less than $1,000 in ad spend to run each month without having to build a webinar, would you take me up on that offer? See, there's a key here, and the key is in this one-sentence promise. That is, if I offered to help you. So you're not being real salesy here, right? So you can use this one-sentence power offer once you get this page built. You get this page right here built. Boom, we have this built. You got a low ticket offer. It's an easy barrier to entry for $7. Get this built out around, it could be your coaching, your digital product, your ebook, your service. It does not matter, right? Then we go back here and we create this one-sentence power offer, and you can post this on your socials, on your TikTok, on your Instagram. And it says, if I offer to help you to learn how to garden better, if I offer to teach you how to play guitar in the next 4 days, if I offer to teach you how to play Smoke on the Water riff in the next 5 days, would you take me up on that offer? See what we're doing here? It gets people that's a cold audience to now know what you're doing based off of what your passions are, what your business is, and raise their hand without being crazy salesy. Now, what you can do is reach out to them. You can reach out to them and get into a conversation. You want to know what the fastest path to a sale is? A conversation. This is how you do this quickly in this day and age. Now you reach out and you say, hey, that's awesome. I got this awesome program over here. It's called the FTP at home workout plan. You can get it today for just $7. I literally sell it for $7. The other thing you can do here, and we do sometimes, we test both of these. You can create what's called a value bomb, which is also Laura Porte's. I'm just using her stuff because it's so wickedly awesome. Check her out. Google her. She's so awesome. But it's called a value bomb. So you create around this what you call just tons of value. It could be a video. It could be another PDF. And in between trying to sell them right into this program right here, we didn't do this with FTP. I've done this with others at work. The reason I didn't do it with FTP, and I'll tell you now, they had a little bit of a warm audience already. But we're still going to build this value bomb for future stuff. They wanted to see if they could get some quick wins quick. So we went for quick wins, right? But you can create this value bomb. And it's basically, through my program, I help you do this. I help you build this out. You create this value bomb. It's really easy. It's really awesome to create. And it's just another PDF like this that when you get in the conversation with them, when they reach up from the one sentence power offer and you say it's you post this on Facebook, you say, hey, check this out. Here's my value bomb. And you give them value. You do goodwill with them, right? And then you can say, hey, check out my program here. It's only $7. Does it make sense? This is how you do this very quickly. It sounds more complicated than what it is. I'm talking on here and making this is very simple. It's really just down to three things. Your one-page sales funnel, a Sam Cart one-page sales funnel. One page. That's it. A one-sentence power offer. Delivering this to Facebook, TikToks, your socials. Creating some content around this, right? You can create some content around this too. I'm getting sales instantly with this irresistible power, one sentence power offer here, right? But then what we do is we build off of that. We build what I call power content. Okay. So if we go here to power content, we can look at it. I have scripts. These are the scripts. You can see what this is. Now what I like to do with this is create a video out of this, right? And it says, keep these videos 3 to 5 minutes long. Your headline must identify who this is for and why they are reading this. But you're already figuring what that is because of the one sentence power offer. You can expand on the one sentence power offer now. You're getting people to raise their hand. You just create that one sentence power offer into this good power content here. And so you can see here, want to book more calls and sell your coaching program? Don't use this funnel. You have a promise of value then. You tell them what they will achieve by watching this video. Give them that promise of value. Over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the best funnel to use when it comes to getting quality calls. If anybody wants this, right, this script, I'll give it to you. Drop me a line below, and I'll send you over my actual power offer training. I have another training on this, and I'll send you this script, and you can go right through this. You have a call to action. You give a crazy reach engagement. This is where you give them something super valuable away. This can be your value bomb, right? Because you likely don't want to build yet another funnel. How about I give you one I built for my AG clients? Drop me a line below this video. See how I just did that right before this? I'm doing the same thing right now because I want to get you into a conversation. Yes, I want to get you into a conversation because I know my system's very valuable and it works. And I want to help you get sales for your Sam Cart one-page sales funnel. People overcomplicate this. We use this system right here. People are killing it, just like I showed you with Follow the Puck, who within 1 month have already gotten their first sales, and we're going to build a big Facebook ad around that. You give them so the next thing you do is you give them a little intro, humble brag, why you're authority in this space. You repeat the promise of value. You give them bullet points, which are benefits. You repeat the call to action. Why we repeat the call to action is because people forget by the end of the video. Now, this is a video you have done that I actually coach you and help you make this video. It's done within this program. If you're looking at my Fiverr gig, a lot of people look over here at my Fiverr gig, and that is in this program right here, the premium. I give you the scripts and everything in here. I'm going to give you the scripts for free. I just told you, but this is actually coaching you through it. $500. I'll coach you through it. You'll be ready to go with your product by the end. The premium, I actually take I build the whole system with you. It's done. We built the Facebook ad and I management. That's what I'm doing with Follow the Puck right here. And we get your first couple sales. But anyhow, this is how, then that's the second thing you used, the power content, right? So let's get back to the power content. That's it. And that's your power content video. Now, what you can do with this video, now this sets you up. We can now use this power content to build a Facebook ad. And what is beautiful about this is we run it as a video, right? And we can now take cold audience and build it, make them warm with this, and we can build a big audience quickly based around this videos and video views, which is way cheaper than trying to do it the other way. It's Laura Porte's way. I actually teach it to you. I'm not going to get into it in this, but we build a Facebook ad around this power content guide, around this power content. We build a couple of them and we run traffic to it. And it's very cheap because it doesn't take a lot of money to get video views. And now what we can do is retarget through boosted posts, retargeting back to these video views for your product, your low ticket offer. Listen, this is my system. Laura Porte does it a little bit different. Joe Orway does it a little bit different. Please check them out. They have awesome systems. But this is what we do, and we run it to a one-page sales funnel on SAM. But this is the system that is killing it. We just did it with a Follow the Puck. In 1 month, we have generated sales. Now we're going to build the Facebook ad around that. And now you don't have to. So now you're not like just throwing something to the wind, hoping a Facebook ad works, right? You know the Facebook ad's going to work now. You have buying customers, and you can adjust and build a big Facebook ad out around this and get sales coming in the door. This system's working amazing. I've done it for many, many, many companies. This is the most recent one. I don't take on a lot of clients because I love my freedom. I love being at the lake. I love skiing, which I was just in an accident, severed nerves in my leg. I love riding moto. I love doing a lot of stuff. And I personally help you do this myself. This is not something where you get really live coaching from me straight up. Okay. Me and my one person that's on my team. That's it. That's who I work with. And it's not like other things where you join these programs and you just get shuffled off kind of into a melee of a lot of people and not even the person that sold you the program, right? You never even see or talk to them again. You will talk to me in this program. That makes this more personal. It's more beautiful. It's more awesome. And it's really good for you. You get direct access to me now, but I have to keep that very low. I can help people, and I actually get to keep my freedom too, and I help you get your freedom. I help you get your system working that gives you the opportunity to do what you want, when you want, how you want, with peace, love, joy, and happiness. I hope this helps. I hope you like this video. Reach out to me. Check out my Fiverr gig, or drop a line below. I'll send you these scripts. Reach out to me, and I can teach you this method. Not a problem. I love to do it. I love to see people light up. And this video might have been long, but this system is what I call KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. That's another thing. Don't overcomplicate this stuff. And I'll show you all this through my new method of getting sales quickly. My 1-1-1 method. 1 sentence power offer, 1 power content, 1 piece of power content, and 1 sales page funnel. Reach out, guys. Drop a line below, and I'll send you some free stuff.